everybody, this is Annie with School for the Dogs. It's a Sunday morning. I'm hanging out here with Amos. We're listening to some Jonathan Schwartz. Woke up this morning to see that we'd made more than $4,000. Thank you so much to everybody who's helped contribute towards our new studio. Amos is here hard at work on one of the perks, which is art that he creates on the iPad. Just wanted to show you what he's working on this morning. Thank you. Oh, you opened up the wrong app. Go on, go do what it says. Amos, go on. Go. Do it. Well, there you go. Back to your art. Go on, keep going.